Hello and welcome to another episode of Jimster586's Lock Shop. I have a few different locks today. I'm going to do this in two videos. The first lock, I have a couple of old padlocks with push keys, similar to dieselducy's U.S. postal lock with push key that actually belongs to Patrick Ned's. I have, like I said, a couple of these. They're old Harvard 6-lever locks. My understanding on these locks is that they were made for Harvard University. They're actually, I think, Miller locks. There's the front. There's the back. These locks are actually in good shape for their age, except for the corroded chain, which somebody broke off. As you can see right there where it's been cut. Around the lock. There's where the push key goes. Not much to show here. I'm just going to open it for you on camera. Here's your original push key. As I say, similar to dieselducy's U.S. Postal Service lock, letterbox lock with push key, which now belongs to Patrick Ned's. Just stick that in there. You have to push it in all the way, and your lock is open. Not the easiest things to use. These push keys are nice enough, but not crazy about how tough it is to get the lock open. Especially if you're trying to do it one-handed, which thankfully I'm not. So let's lock it for you. Again, it's a Harvard 6-lever with push key. Let's push that all the way in, and your lock is open. So I have actually two of these. There's that one. I'll put this one aside, and we'll do the other one with a quick view of Lilly Kitty. Hello, Lily. Say hello to YouTube. I guess she's not talking. She comes, though. Anyway, it's a Lily. And a wall that we're fixing. Hello, Lil. Anyway, back to the video. Let's see. Here is the second of the Harvard 6-lever locks. It looks like it's focusing properly. And a Lily. And a fire extinguisher. Always good to have a fire extinguisher. So anyway, there's your Harvard 6-lever lock. It's the same. This one is in better shape, except for some discoloration here on the back and on the shackle. These are in really good shape for their age. Not much here. There's your push key slot. Actually, you kind of see the levers inside here. On this one, at least. See if I can get a better angle for you. No, I have to do it at the side. And again, oops, too close. Sorry about that. One push key. This key is in good shape too. This must have been indoors and tucked away safely for most of its life. And there it is, open. I have a couple more of these locks coming from eBay. eBay is a beautiful thing. Locked. Nowadays, these would actually be very secure because nobody knows what they are anymore. Not like everybody running around with their bump keys trying to bump open other locks. So there's the second Harvard 6-lever padlock with push key. Put that aside. Next I have a CCL or Corbin cabinet lock sesame padlock to show you. Oh, it's behind me. Alright, so that's it. Enjoy.